Hello there, welcome to our channel Login once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your form account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened Google Chrome, as you can see. And over here on the search bar, type in formform.com like this and hit enter, and you will be landed on this page, which is the home page of form. And now to log into your form account, you can see the login option over here. Click over here to log in, and you can see there are two types of login: form market X and form OPX. Choose where you need to log in, and the login process for both of these will be same. And let's click on the form market X, and after that you will be required to enter your email over here and password over here. After that, simply click on sign in to log into your account, and if you forgot your password, just click here to reset your password. And if you have not already created a form account, just click over here on the new user option, and you will be taken to the procedure of sign up. And then guys, this is how you log into your form account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.